no fun being sick, is it?
Yeah.
Families are sick and tired of dealing with constant illness that's brought home from daycare and school. It doesn't have to be this way. Studies show that improving ventilation in the classroom, adding portable air filter units, and even just opening windows can make a huge impact on reducing student absences and illnesses. Contact your MPP and school board trustee today and tell them you want to see improvements to your child's school indoor air quality.
Learn how you can help keep kids healthy at OntarioSchoolSafety.com.